People carriers, SUVs, convertibles, pickups, hatchbacks, estate cars, lots of different designs of vehicles and cars, all made for a specific purpose. What if I told you that the museum and well over 1 million people had at their fingertips one of the most adaptable, flexible and easily maintainable vehicles in the world, delivering cargo 1 minute, delivering people the next, pop-up cafe 1 minute, Hollywood blockbuster megastar the next. Have you guessed what car that is yet? Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the auto rickshaw. Commonly known as a tuk-tuk, this amazing feat of engineering really does keep the world's economy moving. First developed as a concept in Japan in the 1930s for three-wheeled, sort of less expensive vehicles. It was in the mean streets of India and Southeast Asia where the tuk-tuk came into its own. Ours is the daddy of all auto rickshaws. It's made by a company called Bajaj, and they produce around 780,000 annually. Built in 1994 in Pune in India, ours has a two-stroke, single-cylinder, 145cc engine delivering 7 brake horsepower. As you can see, it has 3 tiny wheels and some basic sheet metal bodywork, with a canvas roof keeping the passengers out of the hot sun or rain. The controls to the driver or rider are all here on the handlebars, save for the starter, the parking brake and a foot brake. Like all modern vehicles, tuk-tuks are going green. Due to pollution concerns in large urban cities, many are being converted to electric and natural powered gas. Now, the last time I tried to drive this thing, I nearly kangaroo hopped it into a fence. So today I'm joined by Dave, one of the museum volunteers, who's going to take me for a spin around the paddock. So there you have it, the world famous tuk-tuk, a real vehicle for the people, both off and on screen. Now I'm off for a drink, shaken, not stirred. Can we do that again?